Hello, I'm David Johnson, DbarJHats Company. Today we're going to do a little bit about hat cleaning, not a whole bunch. Got a dirty hat. There's several products in the market for cleaning hats. The white brush is for light colored hats, black brush for dark colored hats, just so you know which hat you're going to. And when you've used them enough they get dirty, rinse them out, set them down, let them dry, and they're clean to go again. Here's a customer's hat. It's dirty. These dry sponges are really good for cleaning packed in dirt. You use them dry, you get them at most of your Western wear stores, and you can get the dirt brushed up on them and you can work on the hats a little bit. The hat brushes, brushing off excess dirt, but for really tough dirt, I like that little computer board cleaning brush. You can get it a lot of your office places and at Walmart. Turn it on. Dirt right out of the hat. So you can see it does a pretty good job. For a little bit of work, you can get your hat fairly clean. If you get caught in the rain or the water, shake it off. Don't put it away wet. Set it on something. A ball would work. If you're careful this way, let them dry. And when it dries, it should be pretty much the way you like it, ready to wear it, go out and work again. Again, David, DbarJHats Company. There's a little bit about cleaning hats.